friends, happy Sunday. Today I just wanted to share this short video with you on my food meditations. It's very special when you plan your family meals with plants and ingredients in mind that you have special connection with. It really adds to the mood and the sense of well-being. So here's the special basil plant that's been growing in our house for over 2 years now, and this is our way of preserving greens. There's no need to freeze or dry them. You just buy them with roots and plant them, and they grow happily for a long, long time. And you can also do this with other veggies like beets, garlic, scallions, onion. Root vegetables do not necessarily need to be replanted from seed. They can grow from kitchen scraps. And this is also a good way to save food and money because buying organic can get pricey, as you know. My other kitchen friend is the stunningly beautiful garlic that my friend Mariana brought from a Russian farm. It's called Dugansky or hardneck in English, and it has a wonderful flavor that matches its looks. So I thought if I combined those two, garlic and basil, that would make a real nice solid base for pesto with a few additional ingredients. And it also came to me that it's really nice to be making foods like this intuitively based on what's available versus any preset recipes. Then it becomes a real meditation and a spiritual practice, the whole ritual of food growing and the ceremony of preparing it and the act of feeding ourselves becomes a deeply rewarding exercise. Collecting the basil leaves and touching and smelling them stirred this immense feeling of gratitude in me, and I felt like I needed to offer something back to the plant. So I watered it with whey that I had left over from my homemade cottage cheese that I make out of goat milk. Whey contains several nutrients that are terrific for the plant growth. I then added some pine nuts to the basil leaves and garlic, and hemp oil and grapeseed oil in equal proportions. My last ingredient was just a pinch of Parmesan cheese. Blended everything, and the pesto was ready.